Looking for a simple, filling and budget-friendly meal? This beans and potato porridge is comforting, easy to make and perfect for any day of the week. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very simple beans and potato porridge. No fancy ingredients, just wholesome food that keeps you full and satisfied. So let's give it a go. So firstly, I'm going to parboil the beans. That means I'm going to cook it for a little bit, then I'll bring it down from the heat, throw out the water, and then continue cooking it in new water. This helps if you have bloating after eating beans or heartburn. So throwing out that first water is very important. It helps reduce the rate of heartburn and bloating that you have. Now I'm going to go in with some salt and onions in the water, then I'm going to leave it to boil. So while that is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my potatoes. So I'm going to cut this up. You can cut it in big chunks or in little chunks depending on the size that you want. So I'm using Irish potatoes and I also use sweet potatoes. Now that our water is boiled, I'm going to add the beans in and then I'm going to cook these beans until soft. While that is cooking, we're going to go right ahead and prepare our pepper mix. So for this, I'm using bell peppers, I'm using tatachi, and I'm also going to use Scotch bonnet pepper. Now we're going to grind it roughly, or if you want it, you can blend it smoothly. So now our beans is as soft as I want it to be. I'm now going to add the diced potatoes and then I'm gonna let everything cook together until the potatoes are tender. So while you're cooking that, you can go ahead and start frying your pepper mix. So I go in with palm oil, then I'm going to go in with onions, then I'm gonna fry this a little bit until the onions becomes translucent and releases that nice scent. Then I'm gonna add the pepper mix that we grinded, and then we're gonna leave this to fry on low to medium heat. Okay, don't fry it on high heat or it's gonna get burnt. Fry on low to medium heat. Once it's fried a little bit, just go ahead and add your crayfish, your salt and your seasoning cubes. If you're using smoked fish or dried fish, you can also add it right now. So then you're going to give this a stir. Okay, give it a stir and then let it fry for a little more, and then it's ready to be introduced into our pot of beans and potatoes. Now you're just going to go ahead and throw that in there, and then you're gonna give it a stir. Okay, you stir it completely to be sure that everything is well mixed together, and then after we're going to let that simmer for a few minutes so that all the flavors can come together. Why I like this recipe is that it's very simple and very easy to make. So here it is, guys. Simple beans and potato porridge. This meal is very filling, it's very affordable, budget friendly, perfect for lunch or dinner. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.